Okay, everyone. I'm trying the Natural Relaxer, and this is how it looks. I've applied it onto my head all over, and I know it looks more white on top than it does everywhere else. I'm gonna put a plastic cap on now and leave it on for a little while I go and cook dinner. And I'll show you the results once I'm done with it and rinse it out, because I'm also gonna dye my hair. I'm not sure if I want to put the permanent on or just go ahead and put a rinse on it right now, but I'll show you before I'm done. And the cream coconut, it actually seems like a cottage cheese to me. You see, it has the little spots right there like that. That's the cream coconut. But I mean, it doesn't feel that bad. And actually, it looks like I'm getting a lot of curl definition more than I had before. So I guess it's okay. I'll be back to show you the rest.